'tis the season for holiday music and cheer. The Bentonville West High School Choir is celebrating the holidays with an annual concert. We've got Kayla and the whole choir here in studio with us to give us some details and a bit of a preview. So a good morning to you all.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here. This is really special to have so many of you. So before we get into the performance, tell us a little bit about the bigger performance you guys have coming up and what we can expect.
Yes, it is this Saturday, and it is December 7th, and it's 2 o'clock and 7 o'clock p.m. We have baked goods, we have poinsettias, we have colored lights, we have scenery, we have choirs, probably about 200 students involved in this production, and this before you have chamber choir, but yeah, there's just a lot of work gone into this, and yeah, we're really excited. And a lot of people say that their holiday season really doesn't get started until they attend Sounds of the Season.
Wonderful. Well, yeah. I think we're going to get a chance to start our holiday season then officially right now.
Thank you.
Which we'll begin right now. I'll step aside and let you conduct, and can't wait to hear y'all.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Go, go, tell it on the Jesus Christ is born. Brother, won't you go, go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go, go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. When I was a sinner, go tell it, I saw the light and day. Go tell it, I asked He showed me the way. Go, go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go, go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. They found all living. Go tell it, Christmas morn. Go, go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go, go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Go, go tell it on the mountain, yes, over the hills and